Hey, Daily Bread, this is Professor Ward. Just wanted to update you guys on something that I'm seeing. We mapped out a curve analysis on the 1 hour chart. We believe that this is the new pivot high right around 24.32, the new pivot low at 23.53. And so, what we're seeing is the possibility of this supply zone on the 15-minute chart if we were to go down there. If you can see here, I kind of highlighted this little green guy here. This drop base drop kind of represents a supply area. It's at the pivot. We do see a turn starting to happen. We're going to see if this is going to hold. If it does hold, then what we need after that to ensure the continuation of the downtrend is we need to reach this level of control. There's a point of control here at 2404. And when we get here, the sellers are in control. What I mean by that is there are more sell orders at this price than buy orders. So for those of you who are shorting with us on gold, this is a new opportunity. For those who are not in gold, for those who are already in gold, this is an add-on opportunity to short. And for those who are not in gold, this is a new opportunity for you to get in at a short somewhere around 2404. That's if you want to be risky. If you want to be more on the conservative side, then you can wait till 2390. Because what's going to happen is this here is what I call a support range. So anywhere from 2404 down to 2390, price action can still turn around and go back up. And so it's the beginning of this. So for those who are risky, again, you can start shorting from here. But for those who just really want to, play it safe, begin here or slightly under there, anywhere somewhere like that, and then take it down. Now, this is the big one. We need to get below 2353. It needs to open and close below 2353 for us to actually see the continuation of the big picture downtrend. So if I were to zoom out and if we were to go let me see, I believe I have it saved here. If we go to the 3 hour, yes, it's the 3 hour. So if we look at 3 hour here, we were on the 15-minute chart. And what we were just looking at a few minutes ago was just this area here, from this pivot high to this pivot low, up to this supply area. This is the area I was telling you we need to go down. Once we get to the point of control, sellers are in control. And then once we come back down here again, so as you can see, we've already been down here. So I'm just waiting for it to come back down. This was a retracement. It was an unfortunate one. We were all in a short, and then it just decided to retrace about 3%, which is way more than it should have. That is insane. We were all anticipating maybe this support level here, but of course it just broke through all of that. So anyway, we're waiting for it to come down. Once it opens and closes below 2353, we should see a continuation down to our TP4. We've already capitalized on these TPs. We get a chance to do it again if you like. And then we're going to consider, but not enter, a buy position. Okay, so these are just buy positions that I'm considering. I'm not entering because I also see a point of control in this area, and there are more sellers, believe it or not, in this area here. So there may not be any more demand left to take this back to the upside. But we have to wait and see because, at the last minute things happen and orders start picking up, especially the order books. They start picking up and more people start placing orders as we get closer to this price. So unfortunately, right now, I can't give you a definitive answer as to whether or not we're going to be going long again. But as of right now, there are more sellers within this demand level down here below 2323. There are more sellers than there are buyers currently. So as of right now, our position is to just simply short down to roughly 2331, which is just above demand, and then we're just gonna reanalyze things from there. Just wanted to give you guys an update. With that being said, if gold is going down, we should see higher movements on the Dixie or the US dollar index. We should also see shorting for euro dollar, shorting for Aussie dollar, shorting for pound dollar. All of these other pairs are correlated in some way with gold, and they go the same direction. So hope that helps you guys. Be blessed and have a great rest of your evening. Take care.